Alright folks, here we got a Kuhn Knight model 8124 Slinger manure spreader. Go ahead and show you the tires. It's got heavy duty gears and chains. There's your chain going around and around and the gears. There's the beaters. It's got a new pan. I'll go ahead and show you the augers. The augers are in nice shape. They're thick. And then the sides have been patched in areas where it got thin, but otherwise it's a good solid spreader. And then the rear's been welded as well. It's been welded back here, but it was all professionally done. And there you have it. This unit will be sold on auction time, no reserve auction, sold to the highest bidder. Any questions, please call. And for out-of-state buyers, we got loading docks here, forklifts, we'll get you loaded. Thank you for watching my video. I'll walk around it one more time here. Show you the tires. The back tires are getting down, but they hold air. The tires getting down on tread, but they all hold air. Thank you.